Dad, why does Allah let people suffer?
What do you mean, son?
Like, why is there pain? Why do kind people, good people, get hurt the most? If Allah really sees everything, why doesn't He protect us? Why does He just watch?
Do you see this rain?
Yeah,
It feels cold, maybe unfair. But tell me, does the seed beneath the soil hate the storm?
it probably does. It's dark, it's wet.
True, but that's how it grows roots. The storm that scares it is the same one that makes it strong enough to rise.
So pain makes us grow?
Pain reveals what comfort hides. When life is easy, our hearts sleep. When it breaks, they wake and start searching for meaning. That search often leads us back to Allah.
But why us? Why the kind ones? Why do good people always suffer more?
Because soft hearts feel more. The cruel are numb, but the kind carry light. And light always attracts weight. Allah doesn't burden you because He forgot you. He trusts you with a story that others couldn't survive.
So He sees, even when He's silent?
Always. When you cry, He listens.